Oh, kitten can see in this box. But so much dust. Zoe, what happened?
Zora, my nose is stuffy and red.
Huh? Let me call Mom. Mommy!
Kids, what happened?
Mommy, I just dusted my box and my sister sneezed.
Oh, I see. When you inhale dust, your nose recognizes it as irritant, like a little enemy.
Oh.
To protect your lungs, the brain tells you forcefully exhale, and the result is a sneeze.
Oh, we get it, Mommy.